Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle
Flash
Tennessee,
flood warning!
northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I knew it!
At 3:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen.
Are you serious?
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
This is gonna become a flash
Some
flood thing this
locations that
little
will
bit.
experience flooding include Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Lakewood, Hermitage, and Old Hickory. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
That's gonna become a
Turn
flash
around.
flood warning.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.